I find feeding on the floor much easier than if you attach your chair on normal chair, because our chair is small and you can attach it to the normal chair, to high chair. Your baby will throw things around, toys, spoons, food, and it will be all the time a mess. So it's much easier for you just to sit on the floor and feed your baby, right? Huh? We start weaning with vegetables first, like the first 3-4 weeks, because if you start with fruits, baby might like the fruit taste more than the vegetable taste, and then will refuse the vegetables. I think weaning is really not easy, but I would say don't rush your child. Let him open his mouth. Weaning should start with baby steps, just super slow.